Okay, now this is called as the daylight processor. So we are going to start with the processing. Now in the daylight processor we have four things to be identified. First is the developer solution, second is the water for rinsing, third is the fixer solution, and fourth is the water for washing. You should always take care that these solutions, the arrangement should not be shifted or misplaced, or else you will get a faulty processed radiograph. So once the X-ray has been exposed, we are going to develop or process this X-ray film. So now this is an already exposed film. I am going to show the contents of the X-ray film. So when you are going to process the film, always remember the X-ray should be opened under the red glass of this box. If an X-ray is opened outside, X-ray film is opened outside, then there are high possibilities that the film gets damaged. So when we open the X-ray film, we have four layers. First is your outer film packet. When you reflect that, you will see the black paper. Then you have the lead foil, and inside is your X-ray film. Okay, now we are going to start processing. Now this is a film holder which is used to clip the film and pull it outside your film packet. So always remember that the clip should be held on to the occlusal dot. Now we are reflecting and opening the film packet. Reflect the black paper, reflect your lead foil, and you have to take out your film. You have to pull out the film with the help of your film holder. Now the thing that you are going to do is first put the film inside the developer. You have to wait for some time till some images are appearing on the film. Now this may vary, the time for developing may vary depending upon the strength of the solution. So now you can see that some images are appearing on the X-ray film. You have to process in the developer till you get dark black and greyish white areas and structures of the teeth are seen. So once you see these structures and the color codes, you have to put the film in the water for rinsing. That is your second step. After rinsing for 10 to 15 seconds, you have to put the film in the fixer. So fixer, the main function is to remove the unexposed X-ray crystals. So all the silver halide crystals which were unexposed during the exposure will be cleared away with the help of the fixing step. Now the time for fixing will be double as the time of developing. For example, if you have developed for 10 seconds, then the time for fixing will be double, that is 20 seconds. So once the fixing step is over, you have to rinse or wash with the water. Now the amount of time to be kept in the water, it should be 3 times the time of developing. So once it is over, you can take out the film carefully out of your daylight processor. Once the X-ray film which is wet is removed from the daylight processor, now you are going to dry the X-ray film. So when you dry the X-ray film, make sure that no water is spilled onto the wall. You have to dry till no water droplet is left on the film on both the sides of the X-ray film. If the water drop remains on the X-ray film, it will leave a mark on the X-ray film, which is again an X-ray film error. Now the film has been dried. Now this is ready for viewing or interpreting. Now Once the X-ray has been dried, it is viewed with the help of a white colored view box. The specialty of this view box is that it will allow only transmitted light, which is the actual apt light, to view an X-ray film. So now that we can view the X-ray film, we can start with the interpretation and diagnosis of this X-ray film.